We're here in Evanston, Wyoming. This is our last stop in Wyoming. This might be a fun place to retire to if you like trains. This is the Evanston Roundhouse here. There's a lot of train history out here. Historic Depot Square in Evanston. Trying to go slow, I don't want to make you dizzy. This is so neat back here, and you can probably see that they have cameras all over the place out here. I'm sure there's a lot of railroad buffs that come out here. Here's the turntable. So they used to bring in the engines here, and that turntable would turn around, and so right now as we're looking, it looks like there was probably about 12 different bays that they used to work on the engines in there. This is the back side of the Roundhouse that we saw from the street earlier, and we thought there was about 12 bays back here to work on the trains, but now we get a little closer and look, there's at least double that many, maybe triple that many. So there's this was a big busy place at one time. This is one of the old dining cars. Wow, pretty cool. I think that's about it. I think we're going to get back on the road. Talk to you guys later.